In God's love and strength, in God's love and strength, out in this glorious flood, the will length and breadth, and length and breadth, and breadth, the good, the length and breadth. Now learn you all that is right in the land of peace, right in the flag of grace, in joy of the Lord you. Everything and you are most started, and you are most started. Self that you and all of Christ is only and no strength, there's only and no strength, only and no strength, only and no faith. Whereas comes the earthquake, whereas comes the earthquake, how well of you, provision of me, in present I will rest, in present I will rest, in present the